Hey guys, so today I am doing cooling mods on my 2003 SVT Cobra, and for the mods today I got what's it called? Morimoto supercharger coolant tank expansion tank. Yeah, 170 degree thermostat, which I don't know if I'll install because I am currently unlocking my SCT device, and I do not know, because I talked to them on the phone and they said because I have a custom dyno tune on the car, they were not sure that I'll be able to put it on, or if I'll be able to change my fan settings without messing up my tune. So I don't know if I'll put that on. I'm gonna try. And my favorite one so far is I got these new hood vents. They're gonna look so good, getting rid of these old ones, replace them with some billet aluminum ones. Ooh, it's gonna look so good. Alright, so let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so let's get this hood popped so we can put these hood vents in. I got those new strut towers in the last video. So nice. Alright, let's see how do I get these out. So you guys pull these down. Shit, it looks like it's out. Well, that's how they come out apparently. Just throw it out. No, that came out easy enough. There's one. There's two, and this time I didn't throw it on my hood. So, yeah. See how these new ones go in. Looks like some Allen keys. This one should be the left side, so. They say that sometimes you have to file these, and I really hope I don't. Put that right there. Just gonna try and take this one side off. Come in from the top. Maybe. Let's loosen these up. Hopefully with them loose I can wiggle it in a little bit easier. Oh yeah. Way easier. Oh yeah, now she's all the way in. Get this bottom piece in real quick. Let's get the second one in and not drop it in the engine bay like I did that pin in the last video. Oh yeah, so the reason I'm putting these new ones in is one, they look way better with that billet aluminum, and two, the airflow is tremendously better. If you can see how much more straight through that is compared to the old stock hood vents. So it's a nice little performance upgrade, and it's a nice aesthetic upgrade. Same thing, bada bing, bada boom. Hood vents are on, and that shit looks so good. Oh, that looks so good. Alright, so now we're gonna place this. See how much coolant's in there. Alright, let's try and figure out a way to drain some of that out so I don't pour it all over my engine and floor. This right here. So I gotta take this off as well. Take that off, get that out of the way. Now to take the actual thing off is this 2 bolts here. And I just gotta take off this hose and this hose down here. But I'm gonna drain this out because I don't want to get coolant everywhere. See if I can find something to suck it out with. Well, this is my solution for getting coolant out of here. It's not the best, but it'll work. It's gonna be a very slow process. I hope I don't melt the straw. I don't think it will, but we're gonna find out.
Blinking red.
Oh, bro.
Oh, God.
Oh, God. Oh, God. You ready? I need it. Don't. Let me get the coolant out first, because that's the only thing holding this up.
Oh. Let me get the coolant out first.
You my ass,
You're a
bro.
piece of shit, you know that?
I know I am. Can't insult me when I already know, bro.
Canceled. Canceled.
Cancel culture. Bro, I don't understand this shit at all. Every fucking connection is so fucking tight. It's almost like they want to be like waterproof or some shit.
Hey, do you think this would hurt anything if I just dropped it?
Maybe.
Oh yeah, that's coming. Oh yeah, that's coming. Oh yeah, that's coming. It's coming hard.
I'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now, you ready to spill coolant everywhere?
That's okay. It's your garage, it's not mine.
Facts, bro. Wait.
Wait.
What? I like that logic when it's not my garage.
Hey, yo.
I'm literally using like a fucking chisel.
Bro, I'm ready to unscrew these bolts, bro.
Bro, I'll let you get this. I'll let you screw in a second. Jesus.
Let me screw, bro.
Bro, I'm sorry.
Oh yeah, twist it. Twist it good. God damn.
Slips right off immediately after that.
I think. Bleeding pee.
Oh god. I don't want to punch a hole in something either.
Yeah, that would probably not be helpful to the whole coolant. The neener.
Hey!
He said it. He said the thing.
He said it! I wish I had an actual flathead. Actually, I do. Never mind. Where'd I put that flathead? There it is.
Hey!
I'm making my way up in the world. I'm a real boy.
Getting upgrades, son. Upgrades. I left my fucking Excedrin in Charlotte, bro.
What the fuck's in the Excedrin?
It's a headache pill.
You know, they also have they had one of those out for a long fucking time. It's called it's like a powder form. It's cocaine.
I got some of that.
Really, bro?
I never knew that, bro.
I hate cocaine. I just love the way it smells.
Listen, you've said that to me more times than I can fucking count.
Oh man, is it still funny?
It's kind of still funny.
Hey, that's all that
I'm not
counts.
gonna lie.
Hey. Oh god. Got her.
You absolute neener. Okay, we're gonna just unscrew now?
Yeah, bro, screw it. I mean, unscrew it, bro. Do you like my, You're a... Just drop it right on the heat exchanger, bro.
Well, whose fault is that for putting it there?
I plead the fifth. I'm not saying another thing until I speak to my lawyer. When she says, where'd you learn to do those things with your fingers?
A ratchet?
So
where the fuck do you think that's gonna fit?
It's gonna fit right there.
Are you sure about that?
I am 100% minus 3%.
97%?
Ugh.
Or 3%?
Yes, percent. I am yes percent sure.
So why do you need more coolant? That's my question.
Well, just more coolant. Takes longer to heat up, so there's more mass.
Don't lie. Don't lie to me, Robert. It's because it looks cooler, isn't it? It's because it looks cooler. How did you unzip me, bro?
Bro, I'm that good.
The fuck?
You didn't see that? You didn't see that shit in slow motion? Went zip.
Did I just get raped by coolant?
I wish I. So it doesn't go as low. It kind of just sits on top. Like, where's the holes? There it is. It's right there.
Oh.
Yeah. But I have to unscrew this right here.
Oh. Okay.
Bro.
Are you Robert?
You know how wait, which one was it? This one. No? Wait, which one was it? That one?
This one? The big one?
The big one?
The big one?
The big one? You ready to put it back?
Yeah. say that, boy.
Actually, I think I should. Fuck it. Nah. Here, hold that. I'm gonna go ahead and slide this back hose back on first. I feel like this one's gonna be the. Or maybe not. Actually, fuck it. You know, fuck it. We're just gonna do that way. Let me see that.
But I bet you have never seen this ratchet technique before.
Oh. Oh.
Putting the salsa on it.
I've been trying to screw this bolt in for like 5 minutes now. Straight up. Nick. That's hot, bro.
Oh shit, I forgot it's on camera.
You know who you remind me of? You remind me of my Warzone player, the one with the fucking green shit in front of him. Bro, identical when you do that.
Let's get this done, boys.
Where we dropping today, boys? Where we dropping?
Where we dropping? Okay, you got one on.
Hey! I can never get this thing's a pain in the dick. I don't want to break it either. It should be open like that. Yeah.
Oh. What?
Yeah, it's so big so you can put like ice in there to cool off the supercharger.
That us?
Yeah, bro.
Hey, what do you think would happen if I did this?
You won't, no balls. Hey, bro, you have some burnt tips now.
It's just fucking. That's how I'm gonna.
You ever see that video where the dude straight, the crackhead jumps? That can't be fucking real.
There's no way.
There's no way. I don't know, crackheads are a different breed though. Bro. Victory.
Fuck yeah.
Bro, you're a little sweaty.
So are you, bitch.
I am moist,
Look,
okay?
you see all these
I'm
sweat
straight
stains right here?
Bro, I'm no
I
better.
haven't even done anything and I'm already sweating like a pig. It's hot as fuck out here, dog.
I have a fan out here.
Well, that's really helpful now that we're done.
Hey, put some coolant in there and cool us off. Wait, I got funnel somewhere.
You don't need a funnel, watch this.
All over the engine bay. Even though it's like literally the same fucking size.
Oh, careful. 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 Whoa. Careful.
Oh, careful.
Careful.
Sorry. Find out I have a hole in the bottom of this thing, just pours out everywhere. Oh, hold up. Oh, fuck.
Is it leaking?
There's a drain in the bottom I forgot to close.
You fucking idiot.
Find out I have a hole in the bottom of this thing, just pours out everywhere. I really boned this.
Yeah, you're a fucking idiot. Did you close it?
I have a finger on it. Fuck it. There's some coolant in there. See, I got like a quarter turn on it. Nice and easy. Easy. Nope.
What?
It's pouring out.
Oh. Nice.
The fuck, bro? Okay, I'm taking it all the way off just looking at it.
Huh?
I'm gonna take it all the way off.
Take the thing back off?
No, I'm taking the screw all the way out.
Oh, okay.
Pour some back in real quick.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Here it comes.
Ain't that some shit?
What?
Screwing it the wrong way. Apparently it's literally, you're right, lefty loose, lefty tighty.
I told you, bro, it's a foreign car.
Bro, I literally unscrew the shit backwards. And
I'm gonna get the fuck up out of here.
are ya?
Yeah, unless you need anything else.
No, I was gonna start the car, see what happens.
Yeah?
Watch the whole thing just blow up, burst into flames.
Yeah, let's do it.
You can put this piece back too.
What the fuck went there?
This piece.
Oh.
Bada bing, bada boom.
Bada beep beep, bada pee pee.
Yeah, bro.
It's the most important piece there is.
Check your aesthetics, bro.
The aesthetics. Fire, dog. Alright. I'm putting the cap on?
No, don't yet. Not yet.
I'm putting the cap on?
Not yet. No, let me start it and see
I'm putting the cap on.
Let me start it and see if we have to add any.
I'm putting the cap on.
Suck my. Oh!
Oh! Alright, I'm putting the cap on.
No.
Cap's on.
If it starts overflowing, just let, did you really put the cap on?
Oh, I'm not putting the cap on. I'm not retarded. Just kidding. I was just joshing you, bro.
If it starts overflowing or something, tell me to cut the car off.
Well, yeah, no shit. Hey, is that part supposed to be on fire?
It's alright. It's alright.
It's alright.
Let the car heat up. Oh, there it goes. Look at her go! No, I'm just gotta run to make sure there's no air bubbles in it.
Now, Cap?
Not yet. Wait for it. Wait for it.
Go!
Go.
It does look really nice.
Yeah, I got the hood struts on, catch can on. I'm gonna straighten that out, then move that to the side. Got the vents on, bro. It's coming together.
Fire. I'm gonna get the fuck up out of here.
Alright, bud. It was fun. Later, bud.
Yes, sir.
Thanks for coming to my Chinese sweatshop. We don't pay you here. Thanks for the free labor.
And the free lunch.
And free lunch, yeah. Alright, guys. Well, that was the install of the hood vents. And that was the install of the expansion reservoir. If you like that video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, and have a good day.